Hi guys, WUDFHost.exe file manages drivers for USB, sensor and cameras. So if you are getting the high CPU uses of WUDFHost.exe file, run the following commands to fix it manually. So here is the quick fix. Click on Windows button, type CMD and run the command prompt as an administrator. Please note that we are going to run some Windows command that may take some time to scan and fix the error, so patience is highly required. Once open, type the following commands: DISM /online /cleanup image /ScanHealth. Press the enter button. Once that has finished, type the next command: DISM /online /cleanup image /RestoreHealth, and press the enter button. And once that has finished, type the final command: SFC /scannow. And press the enter button. Once that has finished, restart your PC and your problem should be resolved. Stay safe.